I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is By Mood Vlogs. Okay, so today is the 31st of December 2024 and by maybe a few hours it'll be New Year 2025. So tonight many of you will be waiting for the New Year by spending times with your loved ones, right? Maybe okay, so some of you might go to the party, some of you are spending with your family, and so for me as well, I'll end this year by going for a ice bath in crinoline swimming pool. So that's how I spend my New Year in the last 3 years. And so tonight also I'll be showing you about the New Year celebration out there in crinoline swimming pool by swimming in those pool which will be filled with the ice cubes. I started recording this video now because it'll be dark by midnight, so this is an intro, and on the way while going there I'll show you the journey and then the moment that we count the countdown will begin for the upcoming New Year celebration in crinoline swimming pool. So stay tuned with me. I will continue this video maybe around 11:30 at night on the way while going to the crinoline swimming pool. So, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and also subscribe so that you'll get more updates about my upcoming videos. Till then, I'll see you later. Hi guys, it's 11:30 now and I'll be heading to the swimming pool there in crinoline. So it'll take me around 15 to 20 minutes to reach there if there's no traffic. So hopefully I'll reach there on time. So without further delaying, let's move ahead. We've arrived here in the swimming pool. As you see, there's cars behind me and there's the pool right there, and out there those are the ice cube, 8-ton ice cube that has been filled up in this swimming pool. So 5 minutes left, around 5-6 minutes, and then we'll dip into the pool for the countdown for the New Year 2025. It's cold in the midnight. I need to do some warm up and then we'll plunge into the water. Let's go. These are the ice cube, as you can see. See the size of it? It's very thick. It's all flooded. Happy New Year! Okay, so it's freezing cold. My chest is turning red. So these are the ice cube behind me. Like 8 tons of the ice cube has been filled in this pool. And as you can see, nobody is here. We all left the pool because it's cold. So yeah. Happy New Year, everyone. We welcome 2025 with this ice bath here in Crinoline swimming pool. And this will not be the last. We'll meet again next year for the 2026. Okay, I'm heading back home now after dipping into the swimming pool, which have been filled up with 8 tons of ice cube. It feels amazing. At the same time, it's freaking cold, freezing cold. And anyway, it's all about the experience. And it's been 3 years now that I've been going to the Crinoline swimming pool for the New Year celebration. And if any one of you want to join next year, you can come along, because this is a tradition that has been going on for 28 years and we'll keep doing it every New Year. So feel free to join us next year for the year 2026. And now we're heading back to PB, and maybe I'll take a snap of the lights out there in Police Bazaar, Shillong. Let's go. As you can see, it is filled up with this crowd out here, and all the honking and all, and some of them are having a party also out here, out there in the side. So this is how we are celebrating New Year in Police Bazaar. Okay, heading back home. Okay guys, I'm heading back home now after visiting Police Bazaar. You've seen the people out there, the crowd out there. Some of them are having a jam session, dancing by the roadside, and also enjoying the lights that's been going viral in Police Bazaar for the past 2-3 weeks. So that's it regarding the New Year celebration for this year. I've done swimming, Crinoline, visiting Police Bazaar, and I'm heading back home. So that's all for today, and we'll meet again next year for the New Year celebration. We'll end the video here, and we'll meet again in the upcoming video, maybe next 2 weeks. Till then, thank you for watching the video. Stay safe, take care, and bye bye. Happy New Year.